Get hyped for tonight's event.
It's behind the stage. Let's do a little tour of what it looks like. Hey guys, my name's Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a work show tonight which I'm super excited to go to. Apparently a bunch of influencers and other content creators are going to be there tonight. It's in OC, so we'll see how crazy it gets. If you guys have absolutely no idea what the hell I'm talking about, I am the current social media manager for an entertainment company. So we host these events and these shows for people to come out, and it's really exciting. It's really fun. You honestly never know what you're gonna get that night. I'm really excited to see which influencers come to our event tonight. There's like a whole list of them, so I'm really excited to see who I get to work with. It's also AAPI month in May, so obviously we're an Asian American built company, so I'm really excited just to like talk to them and network with them and see what their brand is all about. So basically my role of the company, I'm the social media manager like I mentioned, so I basically run primarily their TikTok platform, which I love because I'm literally addicted to TikTok. But overall my experience with this company has been so great, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with me on another work vlog. I feel like this job has been so much fun and such a learning experience, but I also have been interviewing for other places. I had 2 interviews today which I think went really well, and then I have a callback interview tomorrow, so crossing my fingers, we'll see how that goes. But I don't know guys, I cannot believe I'm graduating in a month. Like, that is absolutely crazy to me. I just had my second to last ever midterm exam. It's just so crazy that I'm graduating. Like, I think I'm going to cry when I take my grad pics. I don't know how to feel right now. Everything's so surreal. Everything's happening so fast and I don't know what to do with myself. I also blew out my hair with my Dyson Airwrap correctly for the very first time tonight, and I feel like it looks so good. I didn't use rollers or anything. I just put a shit ton of hairspray to make it stay, so hopefully it stays throughout the night, but it gets pretty musty inside. I feel like every single time I go to one of my work events, some shit always happens to me. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just because the Asian American community is so small and tight-knit in Southern California, but I swear, literally, it's a small world. Everyone knows everyone. It's crazy. Like, word spreads around like wildfire. I seriously do not know what it is about these Southern California events, but last time I ran into my ex-boyfriend from college that I haven't seen in like 4 years, so that was kind of interesting. So hopefully tonight I do not run into anybody from my past, so wish me luck. So today after my interviews I went graduation dress shopping. I got a couple new pairs of heels and a couple dresses, but I don't know which one I want to wear yet. Speaking of school and graduation and things like that, there was a student who was found with a gun in one of the campus apartments, which was super scary, but I'm glad that the UCPD was able to have a search warrant and search his apartment, so I'm really grateful and blessed that nothing happened. So that was pretty scary, but I tried to be on campus as least amount as possible, and I actually took one of my interviews in my car and I told them the situation, so they're really understanding. But basically our chancellor sent out an email to all the students saying what happened. It's honestly so terrifying because you hear and you watch the news of all this stuff happening and you would never assume that it would actually happen to you or your school or your friends or people around you, but just be careful because you never know what can happen. But anyways, enough of me yapping. I feel like I've been talking for way too long. You guys are probably so bored. Let's move on with the outfit. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I am truly so obsessed with my hair. Like, I usually always use a curling iron, but I definitely am gonna start using my Dyson more often because this blowout is literally so perfect. I'm running a little bit late right now, but I wanted to show you guys my little outfit of the night. It's this 2-piece set from Adika. The store actually shut down, I'm pretty sure, so that obviously sucks, but it's just this long sleeve black little tie top, and then I just paired it with this lace little trimming bralette underneath, and then this skirt that also has lace trimming on the bottom. And I don't know, this set is so cute. Hopefully Adika comes back because that store was literally one of my faves. But here is the full look with my black leather boots that are so beat up from going out, but they're my staple leather going out boots. For my bag, I just have this black leather Louis Vuitton purse with a gold chain, but I will do a what's in my purse work edition a little bit later on in this video. And then last but not least, for perfume, I just have this Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. It literally smells so sophisticated, mature, but florally and girly at the same time. I'm obsessed. That is the final look. I literally need to head out the door right now to go get gas because it's gonna take me almost 2 hours to drive to work. So I will see you guys when I get there. Prepping for the show. Wait, should we take these off? Actually, whatever. Oh my god, we're all matching! Wait, press record. Okay, so this is the green room. It's behind the stage. Let's do a little tour of what it looks like. There's like this large couch where we do our interviews, which Sammy is behind the camera. She did such an amazing job. And then here's the mirror where I take all of my mirror selfies when we're at this venue. It's so cute. And then let's go to the bathroom because this shit's weird. This is the green room bathroom. Tell me why the hell there's a freaking couch inside of the stall. Come here, come in, come in. We have our lovely toilet here. It smells like shit earlier today. And then here's another mirror. And then we have this amazing vase and couch sofa right here. We should just stay in here the whole time. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, so I have another work event tonight and oh my gosh, Thursday night was crazy. It's now Saturday night. I have another work event like I mentioned in OC, but there's literally so many things in here, so I wanted to show you guys what I carry on just a night out at work. So the first thing I have is my work phone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I have this phone and then I have my regular phone, my personal phone right here. This one I just use for all my filming and things like that. And then I also have my little light, my LED light. I honestly think I should use this right now. Let's see if the lighting is better. Okay, I feel like the lighting got so much better after I used that light. I also have my little card holder in here, which obviously has my ID, some cash, my credit cards, so I have this. So I just have my little Louis Vuitton card holder in here, and then I have a pack of 5 gum. This peppermint cobalt, the blue 5 gum is literally top tier. And then I also just have my little keys on my AirTag just in case I lose these. Trust me, I've lost so many things. And then obviously I have eyelash glue in here. I have my little Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, and then I have my Charlotte Tilbury little lip gloss, like a little heart. It's so cute, and I'm pretty sure it's like a plumping lip gloss because my lips do feel a little bit tingly every single time I use that. And then I have my little brown Sephora eyeliner and a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick as well. I just love Charlotte Tilbury's gold packaging. I'm a gold girly. My little triangle powder puff in case I get oily throughout the night. I have, what else? Oh, I just have some like jewelry in here, like a bracelet and a necklace that I should probably put on. But usually I carry these 2 little mini mics and the adapter for it, which I got on Amazon as well. So that is everything that is in my little purse for work. But anyways, I just wanted to do a little what's in my purse work edition. I need to now drive to the venue, so I don't know, I'm just gonna play some music, jam out, get hyped for tonight's event. So anyways, we will see where the night takes us. I'm really excited to work at the show tonight. I will see you guys when I get there. When I'm literally the first one here, there's nobody inside. Heat Ultra Lounge, the DJ deck. This is what it looks like when there's no people. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. Here is what the restroom looks like. A bunch of little mirrors in here. Just my little
outfit of the night. Super chill. These mirrors are literally so cute. I think I need to take a photo.